Phuket Building, Royal Palm Residences, Acacia Estates. 62 square meters plus service area, around 4.8 million. 2 bedrooms. Pansinin nyo, makalat siya. May gamit ng previous owner. Ito yung bathroom niya. Very spacious. Then bedroom 1. Tapos bedroom 2. May built-in cabinets. Access to balcony. Medyo malaki yung balcony niya. Ano yata ito? Yung Bliss ba yan? Yung sa may housing ng government. So, available in cash or 10% down payment, 90% bank financing plus taxes and fees. For bidding, if you are interested to make a bid, schedule property showing, messages directly, as is where is po tayo dito. Yung swimming pool nila, oh. Clubhouse nila. Ganda, oh. Connected pala siya.
Ayun, laki, oh.
Ito yung ano, Phuket.
May barbecue sila.
Hindi, yung Phuket Building. Doon yata labasan. Labasan ba dito? May labasan, Victor.
Ito garbage to. Ito,
Ang laki ng open space nila dito.
mura kasi lupa dito. Itong creepy ko, ito lang mo, nakakatakot rin itong puno. Gusto na sana tennis court, no?
Ganda nga eh. Mas gusto ko nga dito eh. Ay, imik eh, oh.
Pili ka nga kuya dito.
Ayan, oh. Diba? Tahimik lang.
Well maintained.
Dito yung ano, Phuket.
May barbecue sila.
Hindi, yung Phuket Building. Doon yata labasan. Labasan ba dito? Ang labasan, Victor.
Ito garbage to. Ito,